Hello everyone. Today I have another interesting new episode of 20 GK questions, especially designed to cover a basic level of computer related. Let's start friends. The component shown below is used as a temporary memory storage in a computer. Identify the component below in the picture. A. GPU, B. NVMe SSD, C. CPU, D. RAM. Answer D. RAM is the correct answer. It handles all the processes of the computer. Identify the component below in the picture. A. ROM, B. BIOS, C. Motherboard, D. CPU. D. CPU is the correct answer. It handles all the video processing related tasks. Identify the component below in the picture. A. Cooler, B. woofer, C. GPU, D. None of these. C. GPU is the correct answer. It is the permanent storage where the user saves their data. Identify the component below in the picture. A. ROM, B. floppy drive, C. VRAM, D. all of these. A. ROM is the correct answer. It is the device which is connected to modem which allows the transmission of internet. Identify the component below in the picture. A. Gateway, B. Breeze, C. Router, D. Adapter. C. Router is the correct answer. It is a short range wireless technology standard that is used for exchanging data between two or more devices. Identify the symbol in the image. A. Bluetooth, B. NFC, C. Roaming, D. Hotspot. A. Bluetooth is the correct answer. It is a very popular game, sandbox game, developed by Mojang. Identify the logo in the picture below. A. PUBG, B. Minecraft, C. Minecraft, D. Tetris. B. Minecraft is the correct answer. It is a set of communication protocols for communication between two electronic devices over a distance of 4 cm or less. Identify the logo in the picture below. A. NFC, B. Hotspot, C. Wi-Fi, D. Airplane mode. A. NFC is the correct answer. It is inbuilt in the computer, allows wireless connections like Wi-Fi. Identify the component in the picture. A. Motherboard, B. Wi-Fi module, C. Wireless connector, D. None of this. B. Wi-Fi module is the correct answer. It is the slot for GPU and other peripherals in the motherboard. Name the slot in the picture. A. PCIe slot, B. DIMM slot, C. USB slot, D. HDMI slot. A. PCIe slot is the correct answer. Identify the type of cable shown in the picture. A. Coaxial cable, B. Ethernet cable, C. Fiber optic cable, D. None of these. B. Ethernet cable is the correct answer. It usually represents all wireless connections have been stopped. Identify the logo in the picture. A. Airplane mode, B. Helicopter mode, C. Connection off, D. None of these. A. Airplane mode is the correct answer. What does below symbol represent in your computer or mobile? A. Internet connectivity, B. Location of device. C. Error in computer. D. Computer connected with printer. B. Location of device is the correct answer. Identify below key or symbol. A. Octothorpe. B. Aerobase. C. Caret or circumflex. D. Grave acid. C. Caret or circumflex is the correct answer. Identify below logo of social media platform, which is an image sharing or social media service designed to enable saving and discovery of information on the internet using images and on a smaller scale animated GIFs and videos. A. Pinboard. B. Behance. C. Instagram. D. Pinterest. D. Pinterest is the correct answer. Identify below symbol reflecting under Windows setting. A. Region. B. Network and Internet. C. Time and language. D. Gaming. B. Network and Internet is the correct answer. Identify below symbol programming language. A. Python. B. C++. C. SQL. D. Java. D. Java is the correct answer. Identify below symbol operating system which is an open source. A. Windows. B. Linux. C. Android. D. iOS. B. Linux is the correct answer. Identify below application is used for connecting users to Gen desktop and Gen app desktops and applications, but it can also be used to deliver apps via Microsoft app. V. Links to websites and individual documents, among other things. A. File transfer protocol. B. Citrix receiver. C. Wireless application protocol. D. Wi-Fi. B. Citrix receiver is the correct answer. An American multimedia instant messaging app and service, one of the principal features of application is that pictures and messages are usually only available for a short time before they become inaccessible to their recipients. A. Facebook Messenger. B. Snapchat. C. Discord. D. Telegram. B. Snapchat is the correct answer. Please give your feedback so that I can prepare more series of GK questions for you. Please like, comment and subscribe my channel. Stay safe and stay happy. Thank you very much.